No French before breakfast.
The signal was clear, right? You sure you heard a meeting? Did you get a location?
Down the 10 square meters for the DOC, 28 miles away. That's 28 miles, you know, in the opposite direction.
What? Oh, we don't wanna lose them? Come on.
Nah, of course not. I'm saying this guy has a working radio and, you know, he can transmit his location.
It's true, it's not as if you're gonna freeze to death.
I'm saying, help is gonna be on its way. There's probably a boat on its way right now.
2 miles!
But we are 3 minutes away from this mosasaur, which may I remind you is what we came before.
The mosasaur is tagged. We found it once, we'll find it again.
Maybe we can. Because we're talking about tens of millions of dollars here. And all they need to do is just float around for a couple of hours.
I found visual! 30 degrees on the port side!
That's it.
Okay, I have to agree with Mr. Atwater, the mosasaur first, right? Declare new course, 2433 north, 7456 west. West speed. We'll search the rest of them now.
Okay, these kids are safe now. Okay, I don't understand why the mosasaur is not the 45 foot cell. It's not food.
Maybe it thought the boat was arriving. And it wanted to eliminate any competition.
How far from course are we?
28 miles.
How long to recall the target?
2 hours, maybe? Depends how fast it's moving in which direction.
Well, let's say we turn the boat around and get the mission back on track.
Oh, wait. How fast what's moving? With one mission.
Stop that. It's,
Okay, so exactly what are you guys doing here?
we are gonna take a detour and pick up the 2 items and that's it.
What items? Finish?
Atla? Grid me out.
What I do?
You grid me out.
Can you get the tracking map up, please?
All right, look, we understand you've got your